How to log out of Facebook on every other device. This tutorial shows you how to remotely sign out of all devices where you're logged into Facebook on your Android device. First, open the Facebook application on your Android device. The app will load to your newsfeed. Next, tap on the three horizontal lines at the top left corner. The menu will open. Now, scroll down and tap on Settings and Privacy. The options will expand. Moving forward, tap on Settings at the top. Your Facebook settings will load. Afterwards, scroll down and tap on Password and Security. The security settings page will open. Look for Where You're Logged In option. Tap on Where You're Logged In. You'll see a list of all devices and locations where your account is active. Each entry shows the device type, browser, and location. Now, tap on See All Sessions at the bottom if you have many devices. This shows your complete login history. Look through the list and find any suspicious or unfamiliar logins. To log out of a specific device, tap on the three dots next to it. Tap Log Out to remove that session. Alternatively, to log out of all devices at once, tap on Log Out of All Sessions at the bottom. A confirmation message will appear. Tap Log Out to confirm. All devices except your current one will be logged out immediately. You'll need to log in again on those devices. This is useful if you think your account was accessed without permission. And that's it. If this tutorial helped you log out of Facebook on every other device, give it a like. Subscribe for more Facebook security tips and tap the bell icon for notifications. See you in the next one.